No, you know, the Maverick has a theory about coaching that the success of a coach in general is more about the talent and intelligence of the players at his disposal than about tactics and organization. A coach can have all the organization and tactics in the world. If him don't have the talent to execute those tactics, him that will win nothing. I'm going to learn the hard way. At TVJ Hits 92 FM's coverage launch for the World Cup, the Maverick was the coach of the sports department football team. Renardo Brown, Jerome Foster, and Dwayne Exton. I give them clear instructions. Keep your shape. One man cover the goal at all time and don't play square. Well, it's like it passed through one ear and go through the other. As the whistle blow, every man just starts run up and down. Everybody a striker, everybody wants score. Man, they make Jesse Royal and twins of twins and Kabaka Pyramid look like world baller. All when we ring in the changes and put on Jeremy Brown and Daniel Blake, the man them just a fire pure wild shot. Make the rest them score again and a brag and a boast and a beat them chest. And I lie, not even Pep Guardiola could have helped them man to learn football. The long and short of the story is the Mavericks coaching was brilliant, but the ball of them don't have the talent. What I have on my team is a lot of sporting and talking talent and zero football talent. As I explained in the post-match interview, as a coach, I just have to go back to the drawing board and get a new set of players. Problem solved.